How to sign up or create an account of Flybus. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new guide video of TechTube. Flybus is a bus transportation service, and before you can take a ride and use the service of Flybus, you need to sign up first. So without any further ado, let me show you the process of doing this. Search for flybus.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's gonna take you to its official website. Now straight away from the home screen, you won't find an option of logging in or signing up to Flybus. To see it, you'll need to click on the My Bookings on the top. And from here, you'll be able to see the both sign up and the login section. Make sure you select this register option. And then if you scroll down, there are 3 ways that you can sign up, either using your Facebook account, Google account, or your email address. For this video, I'm going to use my email. So first of all, select your country and then select who you are. Either you are a person or a company. In the next box, type in your email address that you want to use to create an account of Flybus. Once you type in your email address, in the next box, type in the password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, should include 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 number. And lastly, again repeat your password to confirm it. Once you fill in all of these information, check this box and then click on register. And there you go, you have been now successfully signed up for an account of Flybus. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily guide videos that we post. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.